HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hi kids and welcome back. Let's draw a super easy mug today. Start with a straight line, then connect with a curvy line and a reversed C for the handle with a D inside. How simple was that? Let's complete with an oval shape on top. Yay! Time to add a nice and neat outline. Looks great. Let's add a heart on our mug. Just like that. It looks so cute now, doesn't it? Time for some fun. Let's paint. A bright and lovely yellow. We're doing great. Just keep going. Let's complete the mug with yellow color. And now, the little heart with red. Just stay in the lines. We're almost done. Here is our finished mug. Good job! See you next time!